Stop throwing money at the wrong CRM. Today, we're breaking down Zoho CRM versus Zoho CRM Plus to help you decide which one is the ultimate growth weapon for your business. First up, Zoho CRM. Think of it as your core sales engine. It's packed with powerful sales automation tools like lead management, contact tracking, and deal pipelines, perfect for streamlining your sales process. Pricing starts at around $14 per user per month, billed annually. Now, Zoho CRM Plus is the big kahuna. It takes Zoho CRM and supercharges it with marketing automation, customer service tools, social media management, project management, and unified analytics. Essentially, it's an all-in-one customer experience platform. Feature-wise, the biggest difference is the breadth of offerings. CRM focuses on sales, while CRM Plus gives you a complete 360-degree view of your customer journey, connecting all your teams. But that power comes at a price. CRM Plus starts around $57 per user per month, billed annually. Scalability is key. Zoho CRM is ideal for startups and smaller businesses focused primarily on sales. As you grow and need more integrated marketing and support functions, Zoho CRM Plus offers the scalability to handle it all. So, which one is right for you? If you need laser-focused sales tools and are budget-conscious, Zoho CRM is a great starting point. But, if you want a unified customer experience platform with marketing, support, and project management all under one roof, Zoho CRM Plus is the clear winner. Don't forget to subscribe for more CRM comparisons and tips. Let us know in the comments which Zoho product you're using.